Welcome to Data Joy AI, Programming for Analytics. Chapter 2, R and Python in Data Analytics, the Language Anxiety Trap. If you've spent any time looking into programming for data analysis, you've probably encountered what feels like a fundamental choice. Should you learn R or Python? Students often feel paralyzed by this decision, worried about picking the wrong language and limiting their career prospects. Online debates make the choice seem more critical than it is. But here's the reality check. This anxiety is largely misplaced in the AI era. The analytical thinking skills you develop are fundamentally the same, regardless of which language you use to express them. What R and Python actually do. R was created by statisticians for statisticians in the 1990s as a free alternative to expensive statistical software. From the beginning, R was designed with data analysis as its primary purpose. Python, on the other hand, is a general-purpose programming language that evolved powerful data capabilities over time. Both handle statistical analysis, visualization, and machine learning effectively. The key insight is that differences are more about community and context than fundamental capabilities. With AI assistance, you can work effectively in both languages. R's statistical DNA. R's design as a language specifically for statistics gives it distinctive advantages. Statistical thinking is built into the language design. Missing values and data types are handled naturally. Visualization is a core feature rather than an afterthought, and there's a rich ecosystem of cutting-edge statistical methods. The data frame structure matches exactly how analysts think about data. Cases as rows and variables as columns. This alignment between analytical thinking and language design makes R feel intuitive for statistical work. Python's versatility advantage. Python's strength lies in its versatility and integration with broader programming systems. It excels at integration with other systems and automation tasks. Python is the dominant language for machine learning and AI with strong data engineering and web scraping capabilities. It offers better scalability for large data sets and provides a natural pathway to broader software development. These characteristics make Python attractive for data science work that extends beyond traditional statistical analysis. Why this course teaches R first. This decision reflects both pedagogical considerations and practical realities about learning. R provides conceptual clarity. There's a direct connection between analytical intentions and code. You get immediate gratification with quick, meaningful results and minimal setup. R helps develop statistical intuition because the language embeds statistical thinking naturally. It's a perfect fit for academic research and coursework. Most importantly, AI tools find it easier to translate analytical goals into R code because of this statistical alignment. The great transfer truth. Here's the liberating reality. Analytical concepts like means, correlations, and statistical tests are universal across languages. Programming patterns, variables, functions, and logic work the same way everywhere. Problem-solving approaches for breaking down complex tasks transfer completely. Data manipulation follows the same flow. Filter, transform, analyze, present. Learning acceleration means your second language is dramatically easier than your first. The conceptual foundation you build transfers completely between tools. When language choice actually matters, there are specific contexts where one language might have practical advantages. For specialized statistics, R often gets new methods first from the academic community. For advanced machine learning and AI, Python has a more mature, deep learning ecosystem. For system integration, Python is better for automation and web applications. Team context matters. Use what your collaborators use. Career focus can influence choice. Academic research tends toward R, while tech industry leans toward Python. When language choice doesn't matter, for the vast majority of data analysis work, both languages are perfectly capable. This includes basic statistical analysis and data visualization, data cleaning and manipulation tasks, exploratory data analysis and pattern recognition, and learning fundamental programming and analytical concepts. The bottom line is that 90% of data analysis work can be done equally well in either language. The choice often comes down to personal preference and context rather than capability. The AI Game Changer Revolution. AI Assistance fundamentally changes the traditional considerations around programming languages. The focus shifts from syntax memorization to concept understanding. AI provides real-time translation between languages, dramatically accelerating the learning process. You get immediate error diagnosis and patient tutoring that explains code and concepts at your level. This transformation means you can start solving problems immediately, rather than spending months memorizing syntax. New learning model with AI. The AI-assisted approach suggests a completely new learning model. Start with concepts by understanding analytical and statistical thinking first. Use AI for implementation. Let it translate concepts into working code. Learn through explanation by asking AI how and why code works. Iterate and experiment with different approaches using AI guidance. Expand gradually by using AI to express the same ideas in multiple languages. This approach is far more efficient than traditional syntax-heavy learning, skills that transfer everywhere. The most important skills transcend any particular language. Analytical thinking includes knowing which methods to use and how to interpret results. Problem solving involves breaking tasks into steps and systematic debugging approaches. Data understanding covers distributions, relationships, and patterns in data. Programming concepts like variables, functions, loops, and conditional logic are universal. Statistical reasoning about hypothesis testing, uncertainty, and inference applies everywhere. The modern reality check. Languages are just tools. The real skill is understanding data and solving problems. Traditional barriers are mostly gone thanks to AI handling syntax translation seamlessly. Focus on developing analytical and problem-solving capabilities rather than memorizing commands. You can start anywhere because everything you learn transfers to other languages. Goal clarity is essential. Build thinking skills, not syntax memorization. Your value comes from analytical insight, not technical wizardry. Your learning strategy. Here's your practical approach. Begin with R to build a strong statistical foundation that aligns with analytical thinking. Use AI to accelerate learning and reduce frustration with syntax details. Focus on concepts and analytical thinking over memorizing specific commands. Know that everything transfers to Python when needed for specific projects or career requirements. Remember that you're learning to think with data, not just learning to code. Key takeaways: language liberation. R and Python are both excellent tools for data analysis, each with their own strengths and communities. AI assistance makes switching between languages seamless and removes traditional barriers. Analytical thinking and problem-solving skills are universal and transfer completely. Start with R for conceptual clarity, then expand with AI help when needed. The core truth is that your value comes from thinking clearly about data, not from memorizing syntax.